Hello friends and fans, this is Z from Sain Official. Welcome back to another video. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to like, subscribe and share our channel. So today's video is all about how to put a lock on Windows 10. So most of the users, they don't know how to put a lock on Windows 10. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to click right on your desktop and click personalize, and then you can go directly to home, and as you see, this is the main Windows settings menu. So you have to go to the account section, and then you can see there are your info, email account, sign options. So for putting the lock on your phones, so as you know, for using your lock screen options to put a lock on your laptop on Windows 10, you need a Hotmail or Outlook account. So as you see, I have already put in that account and it is used as administrator. So after putting that, it will do some verification like via phone number or email, and after that, when you log in, you have to go to sign in options. So there are 4 options. So most of the new laptops, they support Windows Hello Face. My laptop does not support that one. I have fingerprint, so I can use that fingerprint. One is Hello Pin and security key. So if you want a physical security key, you can manage that one. And if you want to put pin, then you can click on Windows Hello Pin, and after that you put the pin here. As I have already done one pin, so I can click change, so it will offer me that enter old pin and then enter the new pin. So this was a very simple method to do this, and before there was an option of picture lock, but I have seen that in a new Windows 2004 H2 update they have removed that one. So this was all from today's video, and before finishing the video, I would like to request you again to like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.